food court elevator, Fashion Show Mall, Las Vegas, Nevada. And here it comes. Here it is. I'm sad to say the motor on this was replaced, so it's not that epic anymore. Let's go to P. It's still an M.E.I though, the motor was just replaced. B1, that's weird. Door close button works. All right, let's look outside. Here we are. Let's go back down to P. Oh yeah, those are replaced too. Okay. Alright, let's look outside. Yeah, this is pretty sad. Let's get a cab view. Yeah. This is not bad at all. Last time I was here, it had a really loud and epic roaring motor. I guess not anymore. Just the parking garage. All right, let's go up one more time.